Sorry about that. Those benches can be a bit dodgy. But we haven't lost anyone yet.
Not this week, anyway.
Hey, you lot! You haven't seen a dragon, have you?
Right, come on. We'll nip over to the Quidditch pitch.